fintech, peer-to-peer marketplace, on-demand economy, corporations, banks. Do you know what they all have in common? They all have an online sign-up process for new users. No, let me rephrase this. They all have huge problems with credential frauds, fake accounts, and ensuring compliance. Only in 2014 in Brazil, the companies lost $3 billion, and this number is growing year over year. In fact, the market is so in need of our solution that we launched a beta product just a few months ago, and we already have huge customers using it. Like the biggest transportation app in Brazil, a major online payment company, and 2 big banks, totalizing more than $100,000 in sales. And we're expecting to multiply this number by 4 by the end of April based on closing contracts that we already have. Not only this, we already closed our seed round with a major Series A and B investor in Latin America and the biggest seed fund in Brazil. And we have very strategic angel investors helping us, like the head of legal of Google, the head of payments of Netflix, and a former COO of Serasa that was acquired by Experian by $2 billion. But you may be asking yourself, how do we solve this problem? Well, we have a full-stack solution to avoid credential fraud. And the first step is to validate documents in an automated way. So you can take a picture of your document, and we can make sure that the document is real. The second step is to validate the identity of that user. So we may ask you a few personal questions to make sure that you are who you're telling me you are. And the third step is to perform a full background check in more than 80 different sources, cross-reference all this data to make sure that partner, that supplier, or that new customer makes sense for your business and you are ensuring compliance. So we are solving a huge problem and a growing problem. Our product was already adopted by market leaders, and they're paying us, and we already closed our seed round with very special investors. If you think that any of your portfolio companies may be having problems with credential fraud, come talk to us. Thank you.